Chapter 5, the time value of money. In this chapter, we will learn the most important skill in this course, the manipulation of money through time. I would say this is probably one of the most important chapters in this course because almost all formulas, almost all calculations that we will see in later chapters will be based on the fundamental ideas that you learn here. So let's start with something not related to money. Let's say I gave you a Rubik's Cube, one today, one more in 1 year, and the third one in 2 years. So you can then easily conclude that 2 years from now you have a total of 3 Rubik's Cubes, right? And you can, visualize it on some sort of a timeline where you mark 3 years today, in 1 year, and in 2 years, and place a Rubik's Cube under each. So after 2 years, you will have a total of 3. Well, money doesn't work this way. You cannot say that if I give you a $100 bill now, the second $100 bill in 1 year, and the third $100 bill in 2 years, then after 3 years, you will have $300. This is wrong. And the difference between money and everything else is that money actually can work for you over time. It can earn interest. Money grows over time. Let me ask you another question. Which one would you rather have? Receiving $100 today or waiting 5 years and receiving $100 then? And the answer should be receiving $100 today. Why? Why is it more valuable? Why do you prefer today rather than in 5 years, even though it is exactly the same amount of money? First, because receiving $100 today is sooner, but you can also explain it differently and say that you would probably do something with this money, such as invest it or deposit in your bank account. And once you do that, which is a smart thing to do rather than keeping money at home in cash, then it will start earning interest. And after 5 years, today's $100 will be a lot larger amount of money with the interest added to it. And similarly, if another option is receiving $100 in even more distant future, like in 6 years, in 7 years, in 20 years, then it becomes even less attractive to you because you have to wait so long. And so the sooner the money is received, the more valuable it is to us today. And this is what we call the time value of money. $1 in hand today is worth more than $1 to be received sometime in the future, regardless of when in the future it would be received. And the more distant that future point of time is, the less it is worth to you today. So in other words, the same amount of money has different value to us depending on when in time it takes place. So back to the three $100 bills. After 2 years, when you have 3 of those, you actually don't have $300. You have more than $300 because until that point of time, the money will be earning interest if you invested it somewhere.